Hey guys, it's Team NSGS, and today we're gonna be playing COD Black Ops 3 for Xbox. I know this game is crap for Xbox 360, but who cares? I'm still playing this. Oh, crap. Okay, I thought I just saw something for a second, and I really suck at this game, so don't judge me. Okay, we got one kill so far. Let's see if we can get more. Oh, what's wrong with this mic? Jesus. Okay. I'm actually doing pretty good. Oh, dang it. That is my first death, so. And guys, you will see me getting a lot of deaths. Oh, crap. Oh, that scared me. Okay. It's time to get serious here. Right here. Dang it! Come on! One sec. Yeah. Okay, good. I needed them. Dang it, you saw that. I almost hit him. I nearly hit him. I feel like doing some more running.
Be advised, hostile UAV incoming.
Oh! Assisted suicide. It's actually really good. Okay. This is very scary. Alright. No. Okay, time to quick scope with the rocket launcher. All you Black Ops 3 people should know how to quick scope with the rocket launcher. Watch this. Quick scoping somebody. Dun. Okay. Oh, you saw that. I hit him. Wait, what? What? Okay, guys, this is not making sense to me at all. As you guys know that I suck. Oh, what the heck? Oh, come on. Let me pause the video. Oh, sorry about that, guys. I had to migrate the host, apparently. That sucks. Ooh, that was very close. Gravity spikes. Oh, come on, man. Come on. I need some kills, man. Okay, it's time. It's time. We need gravity spikes. Oh crap, I'm level 12. Now I unlocked the care package. Okay, so that's good. Okay. It's time we make a change for the better. We need this. This is scary. From behind. From behind. Oh, that was pretty good. I'm still losing. Come on.
Tango down.
I think we just made a change for the better, guys. Come on. Oh, oh, oh. Oh! Yes, I did make a change for the better. Oh. I don't know how that guy didn't kill me. Come on! I was doing so well. Well, at least I'm in 4th place. I mean, it's not that good, but it's pretty good. Like, seriously, look at my rank and then compare my skill to the other people. I still won a match a lot in a lobby. It was funny. It was really funny. There's some other guy, he had 29 kills. And I had 29 kills, and we're just like, oh. So then I killed him. Okay. Don't make me sad like that, man. You don't know what happens when you make me mad. That was some really crappy fire animation crap. That was bad graphics for fire. Okay. Are you serious? By the way, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe. We need your support. Oh, gravity spikes. I forgot all about your gravity spikes. I'm sorry. I shot you in the head like 5 million times. Why won't you die? Let's quickscope somebody now. Dang! I saw that. That's how you properly quickscope with the rocket launcher. 2 quickscopes in a row. With the rocket launcher. That's insane.
They're gone.
Don't touch me. Ooh. Oh crap. Ew, what the heck? That's what inside the building. Oh, Kingslayer. What just happened? I didn't even know what happened. Okay, these people are scary in this lobby. Let's quickscope people. I'm just gonna quickscope some people now. Oh! Where was he shooting from? Well, guys, I guess that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. my crappy gameplay. At least I got 13 kills though. It's pretty good. Oh, come on! Alright. At least I got 13 kills. Like, that's not even that bad, honestly. I'll see you guys next time in the next Black Ops 3 video.